Welcome to week 10. The semester does seem to be winding down. This week you're going to explore public policy formation at the state and the federal levels. A number of supplemental materials and videos exist this week. Let's take a look at those. Current legislation highlighted within our professional organization appears in this first folder, or link I should say. And the Federal Register listed here. This explores all that's going on in Congress, so you might find that extremely interesting to browse around there. And then the Academy's Political Action Committee. Some information here, a few others, and then there are 2 light videos about how a bill may or may not become law. Your assignment this week will investigate current legislation listed on the Academy website. And you will have already selected several topics of your interest, and that is finalized in the feedback section in the Blackboard gradebook. So be sure to go back in there and look at what your final topic is going to be. And then you'll determine the population that this legislation intends to aid, who the legislators are that are backing the bill, why it was introduced, and how this is going to affect our profession and patients or clients. And then after summarizing the bill, you'll respond to the discussion board prompts for your peers. A last important point of this assignment enlists your advocacy for this bill by preparing a letter to your local legislator. Take care of the knowledge check. Let me click back here. So we've got the knowledge check, and also there is a mind tap assignment in the Apply It section of Chapter 7. It's the Global Watch related to perceptions about social determinants of health. And don't forget the extra credit chapter quiz. Have a great week.